This thing off? Hey, everybody! What do you think about this Chrysler here? Alright. This is going to be the loudest Sirencon yet, and probably ever. So, my name is Idan. It's my third year at Sirencon. A lot of familiar faces, good to see you all. And a lot of new faces too, so for all of you who are new, you're welcome. I wanted to talk about this Chrysler a little bit. This is the final generation of Chrysler sirens, built from 1952 to 1958. It's powered by a 180 horsepower Chrysler Model 20A Hemi engine. It's the first generation of V8 Hemi engines by Chrysler. 331 cubic inch. Now, before this siren was around, they had the Chrysler Bell Victory siren, which is what people often mistakenly call this one. The Chrysler Bell Victory is a two-stage powered by a flat 8 engine, producing 137 decibels at 100 feet. Those are built from 1942 to 1952. This one is simply called the Chrysler Air 8 siren, and it was built from 1952 to 1958, producing 138 decibels at 100 feet, 173 decibels at a meter away, and 189 decibels inside of the horns. So if you thought the P50 is loud, this is louder. Now, as far as the sound component, it's actually not built by Chrysler. It's built by a company called American Blower. It was designed by Bell Telephone Laboratories, which was contracted by Chrysler after Bullard couldn't meet the decibel specifications in the 40s. And they contracted, Bell Telephone contracted American Blower, which already made pumps. The siren itself is essentially a three-stage blower. You have three fans in here. 1, 2, 3. The air gets into the next fan, into the next fan. Then it goes down into a slotted disc at the front. Discharges right out of the horns. Due to its axial design, it's a lot more directional than most sirens. If we face it towards you, you might die. If we face it away from you, you'll be all right. With that said, it is still the world's loudest siren. And we recommend, actually I'll enforce, everyone please wear your hearing protection. If you have earmuffs, you're fine. Earplugs should be all right, but if you can also cover your ears on top of that, I would recommend that. That's good.
I will be watching. If anyone makes any across the line, I will be telling him to cut it. So do not do that if you want the full experience. So please keep your hearing protection on and do not cross the line. We want to hear the full experience of this thing.